So I'm gonna tickle Carlos's brain a little bit, and I'm gonna give him some rhythms, and we'll see if he can keep up. Do you think he'll be able to keep up?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go. All right. We'll see what happens.
Sorry.
Definitely. Really crazy and all the above. But that's just a little bit about the company, what we do and what we're capable of and all the above. But now I'll just open up the floor for any questions. A little bit here and there, yes.
Do you know how to like mix karate and all this together?
We do that all the time. On stage, we do that.
Oh yeah. Kind of collaborating all styles into one. Yeah, definitely. Yes. Yes.
When you do the show, do you always have one break if you dance for 80 minutes?
Yes, we have what's called an intermission. So we have first act, and first act what's like 45 minutes? It's about 45 minutes. So we're not technically on stage. Like you wouldn't see all of us on stage for 45 minutes. We go on and off stage. Oh, sorry. He's about to show you multiple pirouettes. And he's AKA T9 or AKA Tornado. So take your turn. Alright, you got it. Really? There we go. Yeah. And that's really why we do this without warming up. Usually we have a 30